Hi, I'm Pamela with Sewing Queen. Due to the COVID pandemic, we've been making masks here, over 10,000, and I would like to show you personally how to make them to the CDC standard. So I'm going to take my piece of printed fabric, any printed fabric to your liking, as long as it is 100% cotton, because that's what gives you the breathableness. We're going to cut it 9 by 12 and fold it up with the insides together up the 12 side. Then we'll take our 6 by 9 muslin cotton and put it in there for layering. The 3 layers give us a 50 to 70% CDC approval. Now we'll sew, I use a 1/2 inch seam, but we'll sew this together. Then you'll take your fabric and turn it. So that you have fabric on both sides. Here's my fold. I'm going to just keep that down at the bottom, just like that. Now, putting it on the machine there, and your elastic, I'm going to use a 6-inch piece of elastic. My elastic is very, very stretchable. If you use an elastic that is not very stretchable, then use a 7-inch piece. Otherwise, 6 is fine. We'll stick it under our foot there. Get that connected. And now I'm going to pleat this side. So I'm going to pleat downwards towards me. 1, 2, 3. When I get to the bottom here, I'll pull that other side of the elastic and catch it right there at the bottom. Now let's go over to the other side of the mask. Get our 6-inch piece of elastic in there, stable, and we're going to fold but the opposite way towards the needle. That way your folds in the mask are all going the same way. Bring that elastic over to here. Now you have a piece that looks like this, and you're going to, with your serger, serge both edges off. Now, as you can see, both of my edges have been serged. I'm going to fold it to the back side and fold this over about a 1/2 inch. Be sure to back stitch all the way there. Come over to the other side and do the same. Trim your threads, and there you have a mask that is CDC compatible.